Hey guys, it's Drea. My husband is behind the camera today and he's making fun of me. So I had a pretty tough day at work, but I came home to some boxes, boom, and boom. We all kind of know what this is. So we're gonna open that last. We're gonna open this one first. So let's get to it. Okay, this is what I thought it was. Yeah. So there is a lot of bubble wrap in here, which is good. Ooh, this baby was packed good. Awesome. Lots of good free bubble wrap. Okay. Can anyone guess what it is? I bet you can't. I can honestly say I have not seen this ever in person, but it has a special place in my heart. We are getting closer. Can anyone guess what it is? I bet you can't. Well, if you've been following along, you probably will be able to. Now we're towards the end. Ta-da! I'm so excited. I have the Disney. This is the special Breyer that was made for Walt Disney World, Orlando, and it's now mine. I love Disney, everything about Disney. I've been going to Disney since I was little. It was one of my parents' favorite places to go, so to have something with Disney and horses is perfect. And I really, really wanted him, and I was able to find him. Actually, two girls were following some of my posts on Facebook, and they found him on eBay, and they messaged me and they said, I hope you get him. And I just thought it was so nice that these two people, these two women that I've never met before, had read one of my posts about how I really was hoping to add him to my list. And then they found him and they sent me the link. And so, yeah. So if you want to take a special look at the tail is how we know that it is a Walt Disney World, because it is the blue ribbon with the white stripes. So that's how we know that is the Disney one. They made other releases, and the only difference was the tail. So when I found out that Disney had collaborated with Breyer, I had to get it. I had to get it. So I'm so excited. There he is. So yeah, so we'll move him aside. And like I said, this box kind of gives this away. But there is that chance where 50 lucky people get to bring home a gold. Okay. All right, am I lucky? Am I gonna get the gold one? Am I gonna get the regular or am I gonna get the gold? It's Secretariat. I love the box. So excited. I'm like one of my cats. I'm excited about the box. So here is a fact and certificate of authenticity and some facts. And now I should probably go ahead and see what we have here. Okay. It's the regular one, but that's okay. Because I love Secretariat. I love all things horse racing. I have loved horse racing. Well, it's like this. I like Disney, I like horse racing, I like horses, and I like Breyers. So anything mixed together is just perfect. So yeah, I finally got a Secretariat. And I was lucky enough, I actually did not, I was looking at last year's Vintage Club, and to be honest with you, I wasn't really a fan of the releases. So when the music box came out, I was pretty excited about that. And that was really the only one I liked. Obviously that was the only one that they really showed. But when I looked at the price, I just couldn't, I couldn't talk myself into it. And so a friend of mine, actually, she went into the Vintage Club and she was kind enough to give me her spot. So this was technically her pony. And she knows how much I love horse racing and horses, and she knew that I was going to put it with all my Secretariats and all my different racehorses that I have. So she gave it to me. So I paid for him at cost, which was really nice of her. There was no markup or anything like that. So I'm super excited about that. So I got two really awesome things today. Well, the day started out good, but it was a tough day. I'm not going to lie. But this is pretty awesome. So yeah, I'll probably take some pictures and post them after the video so you guys can see a little bit better. But anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this unboxing and follow along. I have one more box coming. I don't know when it's gonna come, but it is supposed to be in the mail. So I will make sure to put that on so you guys can follow along. All right. Well, thanks for watching, and like and subscribe, and have a great day. Bye.